All right. Okay, so I think the music is Gucci. I'm gonna go with yes. All right. Woo. Cool. Oh, I didn't change the title. Whoops. I gotta definitely change the title of the stream. I saved it somewhere, but I forgot where I put it. I guess we can just listen to music for now. Uh, like that? Was it something like that? Yeah, there you go. Found it. Found the title. Found the title. Okay, so then I'm gonna switch that up. Okay. Put. Oh, you can't. Wait, why not? What the hell? Wait. So. Oh, okay. That gave like a really weird format in the very beginning. That was like a very weird format. Okay. Let's see. Can I even hear? Let's see. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's up. All right. I'm hoping you guys can hear the music, but if not, it's all Gucci. Dun, dun. And 1,000 followers. Nice, nice. To build an entire NFT collection on stream. Come hang out. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Ah. Alright. So let's see. CD Python. CD Delkey Twitch bot. So there was a few things I wanted to change. So we're going to okay, yeah. So we're gonna change this. So today we are continuing our NFT build. Hopefully deploying to IPFS. Save that. Save that. Save that. Okay, cool. And then pip env run python 3 bot.py. Yo, what's up? Refactor this. How's it going, man? What's this? Oh, yeah, we don't need that. I'm gonna put my phone away. Let's see if we do Discord. We get looking fresh as always. Yo, what's up, Control Bite? What's up? Yo, give me those powers, guys. Welcome in. How y'all hanging today? What's poppin'? It's going, man. Nice, dude. Nice, nice. What day is it today? Is today Wednesday? You moved yet? Yeah, I'm in Vancouver. I don't know if that's the movie you're referring to, but I am in Vancouver. So I moved from Toronto to Vancouver. But I haven't moved from Vancouver to Seattle, which is where I want to go. But I think we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. That's last time I heard you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that is going to be the next location where we want to go. Is going to be Seattle from Vancouver. I'm gonna, slowly, because my lease ends in like August or something, and I want to make a few visits there, and that's where I think fate is pointing me towards. I do want to go to San Fran, but sometimes you don't really get what you truly want. Yo, what's up, LJ? How's it going? How you doing? All right, so let's go to this deploy script. Let's go to this run script. Oh my goodness, what I click? That's deploy. We need the run. Wait, what? What's going on? Mom? NVM, let's go to... Okay, cool. Yes. All right, there you go. That's a little bit easier to digest. And then let's just move this over here. All right, cool. How you guys doing today? Can you guys hear the music? Is the volume right? I just want to make sure the audio is not like too borked. You know, the audio does get kind of borked here, but you know. All right, so let's see what we can work on. So instead of this bomb screen being the deploy script, I actually want this bomb screen to be the NFT. Good. What chain are you deploying to? So the layer 1 chain is Ethereum, but because it's expensive, and it's because this is mostly going to be for like educational purposes, I'm going to do Matic. I'm going to deploy the Matic chain, just so you can see how it's mint, how you know what we can do to mint it, what we can do to do all that. But if I was to do this like for real, like actually try and make money off this, I would do it on Solana network. That's that would be my kind of go-to advice. Okay, so we have this NFT contract, which we tested last time. It's good. One thing I didn't do actually, if I go back, I didn't do get add, get commit, finishing the contract, get push origin main. So let's just push that. Cool. All right, and then here we go. So this is the, like I said, this is gonna be the contract that we're working on. And this is our run/deployment script, which launches it. All right, so a few things that we have to do off the bat. The first thing that we should do is definitely going to be well, what do I want to do? We should probably start with that. Like, we should probably organize the day just a little bit off the bat. Nice. Scally draw. What's going on, Pogert? All right, cool. Okay, so this is from last stream. This was the engineering talks I do every Sunday. I had a lot of fun doing this stream. We talked about Fang and stuff. If you want, all the things are in the Discord. There's some commands there as well. But let's figure out what we want to do today. It's a mouthful. So let's open up this. We're gonna do a little bit of that. And we're gonna do okay, NFT deployment and mint. Okay, so on testnet. Cool. So that's gonna be kind of the agenda today. And now I need to figure out how I'm gonna do this. And I actually just realized, someone pinged me, I didn't even announce I'm going live on my Discord. Lol. Announcements. At everyone doing some NFT build dang. Come join if you support happiness. Cool. Let's put that there. I totally forgot to announce it. That's kind of funny. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Doing some NFT building. It's cool. Dun. What's this? Ah. Cool. NFTs are cringe. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Keyroll? What's going? Crypto Owl. Give me that, pal. What are you guys doing? Please, got M's the back like, yes, indeed. Okay, cool. So NFT deployment on and mint. So what do we want to do? So we want to deploy contract on. Hey brother, how's it going? Good. How are you doing today? Rinkaby? I appreciate your first time viewer. That's awesome. And you already follow? That's crazy. That's legit. I might put on some should I put glasses on? Yo, what's up, Nix? What's going on, dude? I think I'm gonna stream like this. Fuck it. Okay, cool. So we want to deploy on the Rinkaby network. And then okay, so those shades. Yo, do you like Nix? Do I keep it? Or no? Clean? Alright, cool. So we want to deploy contract on Rinkaby. We want to we want to generate all the NFTs. Yo, what's up, Ecos30? Give me that, pal. Come in. So we want to generate all the NFTs. I'm going to generate all the NFT metadata. So it's gonna be a .json, and then we want to store. I want to pop in and say, yo, before in the gym, yo, have a great lift, dude. Have a great lift. I hope you enjoy. Give me that pow. Congrats. Yeah, Delkimev, you bastard. Why are you just bragging, Delkimev, you asshole? Is it modded Moonlander? No, it's not modded. It's just the stock one. I did change the keycaps here, so I have like the white keycaps for just my movements. I have this anime keycap. If you recognize this anime, let me know. Let me know. You might win a prize. We want to store all of this on IPFS. Okay, and then we unfortunately not. Oh, it's from One Piece, man. Then we want to just get into mechanical keyboards. Nice, nice. I wouldn't say, yo, what's up, Zippy? You got it, man. Is that Zippy from New Zealand? Give me that, pal. Which OS are you using? I'm using Ubuntu 20.04. What's up, man? How you doing, Potro? How's your Wednesday thus far? Okay, cool. So then we want to grade teacher Onizuka. Then we want to deploy our contract. Well, okay, hold on. Then we want to see our contract on test Etherscan. Okay. Great. I finished with Gauntlet meetings. I hate today. Ooh. You got meetings today? I fortunately don't have a lot of meetings at work. Which is nice. That also means I'm not that important. If you're not in a lot of meetings, that typically means you're not important and you're mostly just a person who's like given a tech spec to do. And then that's kind of where I sit right now. They're like, hey, we need to do this. The important people are in the meetings and they discuss what they need to do. And they're like, oh, there's this one component. Let's just give it to Melkey. And then they're like, yo, get in here. I'm like, hey, what's up? They're like, we need you to do this entire like thing. Here's a tech spec. We'll see you in 2 weeks. And I'm like, okay. Don't ask why. Don't ask if there's anything better. Don't, just do. That's kind of my rule. I'm not in the big meetings yet. How long did it get you to wait, okay, sorry, I'm having like a dyslexia moment. How long did it get you to use to split keyboard? Probably 3 months, I would say. I'll be awaiting my prize. Shipping to New Zealand is fitting considering you are a Twitch engineer who can afford shipping halfway across the world. I am a Twitch volunteer. I avoid them like the plague. Unfortunately, it's like 1/3 of my time each week. That sucks, Crypto Owl. What kind of development do you do? You don't have to say it, but like I know it's your first time here, so I like to meet new people who are programmers and developers, and you know, kind of build my knowledge from around the world. Can you say you're working if you stream? What's up, Rolex Po? No, I would say right now I'm not working. I would say this is like I'm definitely not working. I'm definitely streaming right now. That's what I would consider. Like I'm not working right now, but you know, I can manage my work and stream as long as I get my stuff done. I think everyone should be pretty happy with it. Yo, what's up, ND927? You see that Moonlander? Yeah, the Moonlander's nice, huh? You like it? Very nice. I like the camera angle. Made it work. Very, very, very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna test on Etherscan. Then we are going to use remux.ethereum to deploy and actually mint. All right, and I want this to be what we do today. Okay, I want this to be. I think there's a lot to do. I don't even think we can do this. Just between me, you, and Dupree. I don't think we can even do this, but fuck, we're gonna try. Python, Rust, and Haskell mainly. Nice. Keeping some edge stuff on Solana and Cardano. Oh, cool. Whoa, where do you work? Sounds like a pretty interesting bed of technologies to be utilizing. I have the Ergodox, the lesser version of the Moonlighter. Your Ergodox is sick, man. I like the Ergodox. I was really debating getting the Ergodox first, and I got the Moonlander. Yeah, the Ergodox looked amazing. Really wanted that. Did you find an artist yet? No, I didn't find an artist yet. I'm not too focused on the art portion of this NFT project. I'm just going to assemble something, and then we'll see how it goes. It's mostly just for learning how to deploy stuff on the Ethereum network. Not to focus on the art on this project. And we'll do that. We might even do that this episode too, because we're gonna have to generate all the NFTs. I might show you guys how to make the art. But the tool I'm going to use has art already. All right, cool. So, yo, what's up, Evota? How you doing? What's up, Elijah? What's up, Astro? How are you guys doing? Are you guys having a good day? I've been designing crypto projects in the past couple of years, getting in depth on Cardano now. Okay, yo, Crypto Al, tell me, what is your opinion on Cardano? I've never used it. I've only invested into it. I'm only reading things about it. But yeah, if you're actually a person who's hands-on, can you tell me about it? Do you use any tiling window manager with Ubuntu? No, I don't. I'm kind of noob at that point, man. I just keep it OG, man. I will say I haven't been really happy with Ubuntu lately. A lot of the softwares I have on it, namely OBS, have really not been working the way you want them to. So I mean, that's kind of been disappointing. You know, I think I'm definitely turning into more Apple OS. I really like Apple OS. But Ubuntu is still pretty cool. You're on your way home. Nice. What restaurant did you go to? What's up, Jesus farted? What's going on, guys? Give me those pows. My face kind of dropping the block. Oh, it is, dude. Great. First time, and you're already helping me run my stream, dude. You want to be a mod? All right, I got you. Oh, I fucked up. There you no. All right. I got you. Okay. Thanks for that, man. Let's see. So, okay, Crypto Owl says, I'm absolutely biased, so take it with a ton of salt. But my opinion is the best network for innovation currently, okay? My friend found an extension for GNOME for tiling. He said, sick. What's it called? I'm using awesome window match for... Okay, nice. I might look into it. Cardano is pretty early to develop on. They just released their smart contract platform in the last few months, and they used a paradigm that's not very popular, so dApps are struggling to drop initially. Interesting. Hey, hop in the Wayland band. Drop times 11. All right, you guys are crazy today, huh? All right. You have any opinion? Songbird, Flare doing NFTs on there? Songbird or Flare? I've actually never heard of those. What is that? Songbird NFT. What is that? Doing NFT. What is this? ERC 1155 project? That's pretty cool. Flare Networks. Flare Networks NFT. Let's see. You guys hear about Irene DAO? No, what's that? I went to Rondo Japanese Kitchen, had some curry and a French ginger ale. Had to rush though because I forgot I had a meeting at 3:30. Lol. But you had your business phone, no? Flare Network. Scalable and doesn't base safety on native token. Look up Arendao. What is it? Give me a pitch. Give me an elevator pitch on Arendao. Casa. Rondo. Oh, I see. Okay, true. Dogecoin, Litecoin. Is that Ripple? That is... Is that Lumens? I can't really, like, maybe. Stellar Lumens. Yeah, I got it. Stellar Lumens, man. See, I know my shit. All right, so okay, Flare hasn't launched it, but Songbird is live. Flare's on-chain Oracle, Stake Connector, some other exciting stuff. Okay, badly made NFTs of some influencer. I think I've heard of it. I think I saw, like, something trending with, like, a DAO in someone's name. I might be just, like, talking mad-ish, but I feel like I remember something around those lines. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Cool. So, what do we have to do now? Okay. Again. So let's deploy the mint. Okay. So we can test a bunch of things out. So we created the contract last time, and the contract has a lot of really cool functionalities. We're passing in these. Yeah. So we're passing in these parameters right here. Wait, where's my constructor? Sorry. So that's a, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so here we go. It was like kind of hidden. I need to actually get a Vim extension for Solidity because this is like really not looking good. But whatever. So you can see here, we take a name, a symbol, the init base URL, and then not reveal URI. So these are gonna come useful once we actually go to this here. Once we go to using remix.ethereum, that's when we will have to pass in these URLs essentially, or URIs. I don't know what the proper term is, but that's when we're going to use them, because we're also going to use IPFS, and we can actually go right here to Pinata. Cool. So we can go to Pinata NFT IPFS, and this is where we're going to store all of our stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna store all of our IPFS stuff here. You can store like the images, the metadata, and that is essentially going to handle this part. We want to store all the IPFS. Okay, but first, let's go ahead and deploy our contract. Let's see it on the Rinkeby test network. Let's make sure that our contract can be deployed, can be functioned, all that. So if we go here, ls cd episode 1. Technically we're in episode 2, but I don't want to remake everything. Yo, what's up, C Toner 2653? How's it going, man? Hey, yo, what's up, lads? What's up, man? Give me that, pal. What are you saying, dude? Welcome in. First time viewer, let's go, man. How's life treating you? All right. So the command that we could use is, let's go Rinkeby. Nope, Rinkeby. Here you go. So npx hard hat run scripts deploy network Rinkeby. So what does that do? If we go here to our deploy I don't like that. If we go here to our deploy script, so we can actually get rid of this. We don't need that. Let's get rid of all this. We don't need that, and let's get rid of all this because we don't need that. So our deploy script, right, it's going into our NFT contract. We're passing in these like dummy variables right now. And these dummy variables, if we go into this side screen here and actually go to our contract and just change this like that. So these 4 params here represent our constructor params here. And every time we launch or deploy our contract, which is only once, right, because the constructor is only going to call and you know, basically be used once. It's going to need these parameters. It's going to need the name of it. It's going to need the symbol of the NFT, and it's going to need the 2 URLs. And so these 2 URLs, right? So these 2 URLs are responsible for where our NFTs are going to be stored. Let's see. It's good, man. We're chatting with you a bit ago in Discord. What console/text editor using with hard hat? Or is that called something else? I'm here to pay Russian for penny since I owned Russian money. You owed Russian money? Damn, that's, you probably don't want to do that. Yeah, so C Toner, I'm using NeoVim. That's like my editor. So if you do !config, that's my NeoVim config. That's a text editor I'm using. So you know how people use like VS Code and stuff? I use NeoVim. I use NeoVim at work. I use NeoVim here. It's just something I'm more comfortable with. If you need some help with NeoVim, let me know. Oh, nice. I'm freak at this point. Yeah? What do you think of my config? I just linked it. Let me know what you think of my config. Yo, what's up, TCK? Give me that, pal. What are you saying, dude? I recommend Kitty as terminal. You need to install Tree Sitter. I thought I had Tree Sitter. No, I don't. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so you're gonna always have to pass in these 4 parameters. Okay, all the lads in here. So we're going to use npx hard hat run scripts deploy in a network rinkb. And again, if you don't know where that's coming from, if you open up this, we can delete this. This is just accounts. We actually don't even need this at all. And then let's just get rid of this. Cool. This is your Nuvim config? Oh, let's check it out. But I love it. Let's see. Let's rate this. Oh man, that readme, 216 stars. Jesus, bro. Let's go. Ecovim, ultimate React Nuvim config. Good to know. Thank you. Learning Solidity to make my own NFT collection for the experience. Loving this tutorial. Hell yeah, dude. I have all my VODs, by the way. C-Toner. I have all my VODs up, so you can check those out. Dude, this is cool. This is really cool. Whoa. What? Can I use... Oh, but it, yeah, so telescope. Oh, dude, this is sick. You already watched them all? Let's go. Jesus. Yo, this is a legit tool, man. This is a legit tool. Let me show you some love, man. This is, you put some work into this, so I'm definitely gonna respect that. Hell yeah. I'll look into this. The only thing is, man, with Nuvim is like you don't want to add something to your config because everything is kind of fucked up, and you don't want that, you know. Like people are very particular to Nuvim configs. I want to use yours because when I use React, my React is pretty dookie, but this looks perfect. Like look at this screenshot, man. This is so nice. I want this. Yo, Ecos, are you in the Discord? Can I message you later today? Yeah, dude, I need this. I need this for my front end development. But I don't want to ruin, I guess right now I gotta work on my Nuvim, man. I gotta work on my Nuvim. That's for sure. Yo, Ecos, if you're not in the Discord, man, join the Discord because I gotta message you. You don't have to join it, actually. Join it for a second, and just like let me know who you are so I can DM you, and then you can leave the Discord. I don't care. I really don't give a shit. I just need your help. Okay, cool. So, yeah, basically, this is the rinkb test network. This is the configurations you need to run the command that we just did. So the js-network.rinkb. Yo, Melkey, what's going on? Yo, what's up, man? How's it going? Give me that pow. What's going on with you, dude? Okay, so we're gonna run this again. Oh. It's gonna take some time to deploy. And if you also look at a deploy script, where is it? Our deploy script strictly just deploys a contract. Okay, one thing I should have done actually is mimic the run script, which is down here. You can see that we have this. We could just do this. Doing well. Keep seeing you in other programming streams and thought I should jump in. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, a lot of people are really nice when it comes to programming. The community is pretty close. So you know what the actual NFTs you're making yet, or just waiting at the foundation for it first? Yeah, like I'm not okay. So let me backtrack a little bit. Excuse me. I'm not making this to actually like make some money off an NFT. I was curious how to make an NFT because I would never deploy an NFT on Ethereum. That's just like way too expensive and it's super not worth it. What I would do instead is I just wanted to see the end-to-end kind of step from starting to ending and how would you go about deploying an NFT. So that was my kind of thinking behind creating this series. Okay. Anyway, so let's go back. Let's rerun this. Oh. Yo, thank you for that follow. Let's run this. What a ripoff. Ethereum network is simply expensive to the point where it becomes unusable. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, Ethereum is so crap. So crap. Hold up. Why did it so deployed, but how come we didn't do the mint functionality? Because if you look at my mint functionality, oh, whoops. Okay, so why did this not work? So if we go here, okay, so let's go to my contract. I have this mint function right there. Congratulations on minting. Okay. But then why did it not mint though? Interesting. Let's see something. Okay. Yeah, so there's the okay, so there is our mint. It's insane, but basically is what I'm trying to do with ETH for the learning project. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so well, this is a good learning opportunity because your boy is a little confused right now. Why do these two functions not get called? Nft deployed 2. Right, so we're waiting the mint. And then it should, congratulations, mint. The ID of the, yeah, we should be seeing the mint of the ID. So here, right, if I do npx hard hat, run scripts, run.js, look what happened. Oh, yo, dude, giving me that prime? Hell yeah, man. Thank you very much. Give me that, pal. I appreciate that support, man. I appreciate that love. I'll be really surprised if anything useful comes out of NFTs. Yeah, I mean, Thens, I'll be honest with you, man. I'm not a big NFT guy. Like, I don't own a lot of NFTs. I'm not an NFT collector. But I think the technology is pretty prominent. And as a programmer and as a person who's always looking for new technologies to learn, I think it's a pretty cool thing to be aware of. Okay, so we saw that with run, we get it to work. Okay, so what is happening here? So npx run scripts deploy JS. Yo, thank you for that follow. Thank you for that follow. Now, if we do the deploy command, what happens? I can't see who follows. I'm sorry about that. But if you guys message me on chat, let me say hi to you if you click that follow button. I've had this shit forever and never found someone to use it on. So bam, yo, hell yeah, hell yeah, yeah. This is weird. This is weird. It's not. Oh, do you know what's happening? Okay. Arimas, appreciate you guys know what's happening. Okay, let me explain what's happening. Okay, this is actually very good. Yo, Toner, this is for you. Okay, check this out. So if we do a run.js, you guys see how we get the congratulations on minting NFT 123? Also loving how everyone used Nivim on Twitch. You need to love my config there. Yo, dude, do whatever you gotta use. You know, don't, if someone's using Vim, who cares? I'm like the only person in my entire organization who uses NeoVim. Everyone else uses like JetBrains or VS Code. It's just like my preference. It's because I learned how to program using NeoVim, right? I learned how to program using NeoVim, so it's just what I'm used to. That's the key. Do what you're used to. Okay. So interesting. You know where we're getting these congratulations on the minting for the run command and not for the deploy command? It's because on a deploy command, this actually takes a lot of time. So here, let me show you something. I'm gonna do const mint call. What am I doing? Okay, sorry. We'll do mint call 1 equals await, and then we'll do this. We're gonna do await mint call 1. I think that's how I'm supposed to do it. Because I'm awaiting this. So the reason why I see it when I'm running it, now I'm deploying it, because on the deployment screen it takes a long time. So here I could even show you. Where's the last time we deployed? Here. So we'll take this, copy it, and we're going to go to this website right here. Where is? Nope. Yep. We're going to go here. Now check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Yo, no way. We got Ditch Mitch with the raid coming in here. Super hot fire. I was in the stream earlier. You know, I was trying to polish up my game. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Mitch, how was the rest of your stream, brother? Shout out to the king. Shout out to the dude. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's my personal. Oh, that wasn't the thing I wanted. What is going on? Big shout out. Hell yeah, dude. We just want him to be healthy. Mitch, don't drink. Mitch, you don't drink water? Mitch, what? What are you doing not drinking water, bro? Your skin pigment. You have beautiful skin, Mitch. What are you doing not drinking water, man? What are you doing over here? 10 months? Hey, brother, you guys stop spending. You guys spend that money. Yo, Mitch, I'm banning you from subscribing to me ever again, man. I want you to spend that money on all those animals you help. You're one of the purest human beings who's out here helping animals, adopting them. You know, I know you do a lot of work with that, and that resonates pretty heavily with me. So stop giving me your money. I don't want your money, man. Spend it on you know, animals who are in need. I'm not in need, dude. I'm happy. I'm happy because I got that beautiful Mitch raid, making me feel like $1 bazillion. Let's go. Let's check this out for a second here. You guys see this? Bang. Bang. Receipt status failed. Why? Why did this one fail? So you can see that when we put the contract in the test network, you can see it here. I wonder why it failed. I have no idea why it failed. This wouldn't be testing. Okay, fail. That's indicating the top level call succeeded or failed. ¿Por qué? You're welcome to donate to a shelter, but can never leave. Sub icon too hot. Dude, okay, I won't lie. The sub icon is too hot. Like that, you got me there, bro. You got me there. The sub, I take no credit for the sub icon. Yeah, dude. Someone very special made that sub icon for me. So you know how we do. You know how we do it. All right, cool. So we got one thing that failed. That's fine. That's fine. We actually want things to fail because it makes us appreciate when things don't fail. Mitch, what you up to for the rest of the day, bro? What you doing, bro? You can't just come in here, give me a raid, give me a 10-month sub and escape. Come on, bro. Let me lick your ear for a little bit. Okay. So the reason why it's failing, well, I actually don't know the reason why it's failing. He's sending to class to get his learn on or something. Oh, what a nerd. I'm joking. So the reason why it's failing is A, because I think we redeployed while it was in the middle of deploying, and secondly, we have this thing going on. This when you call this mint function while they're deploying to the actual Rinkbeat test network, you're not gonna get these commands. So again, if I do run.js, you can see that we're minting, right? We're minting our NFTs. Midnight here to be up at 6. Peace, brother. Keep on doing and breaking stuff. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Give me that pow. Hope I see you around, eh? Join the Discord if you haven't. Right? So it's minting. It's not really minting, but it's like this is a good way to test your scripts. And this is what I use. I use I see finally. Yeah, what's up, Bitmasher? What's going on, bro? Yeah, someone donated me enough funds to register my hypercam, which is mad hype. And what's up, Windward Hive? But when you actually deploy, you can't just, you have to wait for the block to be minted. And I truly forgot about that until just now. So I have to find this. I gotta find a way, or I have to remember at least how I did that. Oh, I know how. I just found out how. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do const first mint, right? And then we're gonna do first mint. We're gonna do await first mint dot wait, and then add this. Cool. And then here we're gonna do const second mint. And then await second mint dot wait. All right. Okay. So now if I deploy, yeah, they took away my daily crap giving. Who took away your daily crap? Who has that ability? Who has that power to take away your crap giving ability, dude? Okay, so now if we deploy, so what we learned is if quality versus quantity matters, I'm on top. Oh, whoever gave you the register, oh yeah, that was some coding guy, by the way. If you guys want to check him out, some coding guy. Okay. Yeah, he's dope, man. He's dope. He's dope. He's dope. He's dope. First mint dot weight is not a function. Sorry, it's mint. Huh. So we're okay. So why is this not working? ¿Por qué es no work? We need to wait for it to be minted. So dot wait. Okay. So this is why you don't copy and paste code. To be honest, this actually should be working. This dot wait. It should work because I'm using the safe mint function here. Anti-conscious that mint, yeah. But then why? Sometimes that guy, yeah. But Stack Overflow has all the code written, yeah. Dude, I'll be honest. It doesn't have all the code for it doesn't have all the code for like new stuff, like Web3 stuff. 81, that's the best I've gone? Hell yeah. Okay, so why is the wait? Should we Google? First mint dot wait is not a function. But it definitely should be. I don't know. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow, solidity dot wait. Yeah, let's see. Should you use CSS framework? Also, who you got for this weekend? Ganu Naganu. What's up, man? Should you use a CSS framework? I think you should. Yeah, why not? I definitely think you should. And I got, dude, that fight is gonna be so amazing. I think if it goes 5 rounds, obviously gone. But I think the Nagano can catch him. I think Nagano can catch him. I thought you were my creatine dealer for a second, bro. I am. How come you haven't been picking up for me for a while? Huh. It's kind of annoying. That is kind of annoying. Hold up. Let's see. I remember I did this before. I just can't remember how. That's the issue. I just can't remember how I did this. Man, someone should make an an app or something where you could just like store your mind. Let's see. Nope. You just need a payable. Yeah, like it's. I kind of forget how to do this. And like, I guess you could wait for it, but I'd rather not. So it's saying metaverse use case is just for devs with lack of memory. Dude, okay, put me in that category because I'm definitely a dev with a lack of memory. Okay, hold on. Let's put in a wait here. I think I might run out of test ETH. Like, not even joking. I think I might run out of test ETH. Oops. Okay. Yo, Melks, I'm getting an offer for money laundering and terrorism financing data science at a bank. You think it's a good field? Wait, hold on. Sorry, what? Malcolm, that came out of nowhere. Uh, I'm getting an offer for money laundering and terrorism financing data science at a bank. You think that's a good field? Yeah, I think that's a pretty good field. Do you want to work for a bank? Working at for a bank can be kind of shitty. I'd definitely say that. Working at a bank is kind of shitty. And I thought you wanted to do like machine learning stuff and not data science stuff. No, when are you gonna go? Okay, anyways, let's go. Let's grab this. Let's see if this is on Rinkeby. Let's grab this. Let's copy this. And then where was our Rinkeby? Here. So let's type the address and we should see a few things. Perfect. Okay. So we see our contract, it's deployed, and we see the 2 mint functionalities. Awesome. So this is and how much test ETH do I have left? I got enough to party. All right, cool. So we want to deploy our contract in Rinkeby. Did that. Gotta get the banking speed though. You never know. I mean, dude, there's not really that much experience when it comes to banks. Like, I don't wanna like be mean. But I don't think it's like that important. You want to deploy a card. Okay, so this is here. The better question is, do you want to do this? We make the art. Okay, we want to generate all NFTs. We want to store. Okay, then we want to see our contract and test Ether, and that's done. Okay, cool. So now it's actually to the part where we have to create the NFTs. Okay, so here, ls, we're gonna go back. ls, so we're building NFT, right? We're gonna go to CD episode 2, and I'm gonna show you guys a tool that you're gonna use to create all of your NFTs. Hashlips, GitHub. We're gonna use this thing. We're gonna use this Hashlips art engine, and we're gonna grab this code. We're going to copy this code. So for the NFTs, since you just testing, are you actually generating from NFTs, or are you gonna use like placeholders? We're gonna go through it right now. Yeah, exactly. Yo, bro, you read my mind. Okay, so this is empty. I'm gonna do a git clone. Give me that beautiful art engine right now, boy. ls cd. Fucked up. Public school error. Was a daily routine since 13. All right, cool. There you go. Sweet. So this is how this shit works, right? We have all these layers, and I should probably open it up in a different window. Looking fly kicks. Let's go to Web3. Stream, building NFTs, episode 2. Yo, what's up, Ched? What's going on, homie? Oh, it's Son. What's going on, man? You guys are all here, eh? Give me that pow. What's up, man? All right, cool. So this is all the images we have. Look at this. We have the background. We have this bottom lip, right? We have this top, and look at these eyeballs. We have the eyeballs. We have the eyeball color. Look at all these layers. Some of goo. You know how it goes, right? The iris. So these are all components to our NFT. Now I'm gonna show you guys. You might be looking at this like, what the fuck am I looking at, man? Why all NFTs are monkeys, bro? I don't know. I don't know, man. I just work here. Give me that powder. How you doing, Kublai? You got any more beautiful resources, Kublai J? Any more fire? Any more fire homes? You're the one who put me on the Go book. Cool. So now we're here. All good. You know the source. I know the source. I've been looking. Have you been looking? I have not been looking. All right. So these are all the layers. This is going to take care of honestly everything for you. All you got to do is, yo, what's up, Costa, is go to the config and it's going to generate everything for us. So your collection, you can put on the Ethereum network. Were you ever a lead coder? Yeah, I had to be taking my job. I actually just finished a stream on Sunday where we were talking about Fang interview prep. You want the VOD? This is a good time for me to plug my YouTube VOD channel. You know what I'm saying? Where the fuck it at? Yeah, my channel. Bang, dude. Yeah, it's for you. Yes, yes, please. Yo, for sure. Here you go. I also have the notes. So you'll see in that VOD, ZooGod, I have all the notes. It's in my Discord if you want that. That's for free, man. I give, you know, you take whatever you want. Cool. So we're going to start doing some nasty shit right here. So your collection, we're going to name this just like stream eyeballs. Okay. What am I doing? I'm going to change this to, this is the description of my NFT collection. Walk it like I talk it. Okay, we don't really care about this. We could hide this. Okay, now here you go. Here's the first thing we're gonna do. So this layer configuration. Oh, you know what? Completely fucked up. npm install. That's the first thing you gotta do. Cool. And now let's just how should I do this? Let's just exit. I need to exit all of this. cd back ls cd into epi2. Cool. And then neovim. Fucked up again. cd hash lips engine neovim. And then we're gonna go to src config. Okay, now we're gonna configure stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how easily you can do this. So open up your layers. Now look at this. We have background eyeball, eye color, iris, shine, bottom lid, top lid, background, bottom lid. All these have to match folders that we have in here, and all these folders contain these PNGs. So that's gonna be the structure we're gonna utilize to create our NFTs. It's gonna be the folder structure, which contains the name of the trait, so the color, whatever trait you see on OpenSea, like the rarity and all that. So that's gonna be here. And the layer has to be matched here. Now the order matters. You can't, and I'll show you what happens if you switch these up. So I'm gonna just go with it for now. It's gonna be node index.js. Let's see. Oh, okay, hold up. I guess we need to have this uncommented out. Okay, cool. So we just created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new, we just created 5 NFTs. That's how easy that was. And I'm you guys keep like, what are you talking about? You can get this new build folder, go into build, go into images, bang. So we just created these NFTs. That's what happened. So these NFTs are created from the different composition of these layers. Does that make sense? What's up, Matt? Welcome in. Now, does that make sense? So again, if we go here, we can see that we have all these different NFTs, right? These are randomly generated NFTs. Jay's Gods created Illuminati NFTs. I believe that. I believe that's not even, that ain't even surprising, man. I be believing that. Okay. So all these NFTs are generated from every different trait that we have going on within our kind of folder structure. Okay. So if we look at our layers again, right? So if we go to layers and we look at all, these are just individual pieces, right? So this is the red eyeball. This is the white ball. So you just basically set that shit to be generated on mint and then add the collection, done. Yeah, exactly. Let me show you. But you have to make sure, so when you get an artist, or if you're going to be the person responsible for creating your own NFT collection, you have to make sure that the order of the layers works. So I'm going to pull up an image here. Let's just go to Google. Google.ca. NFT image layers. Let me see. Yeah, here you go. No, that's not it. I need like a good representation. of how like different layers are showcased, because it really puts together how NFTs are made. Oh, here we go. Perfect. This is what I want to see. Okay, you guys see this? So this is how NFTs are actually made. It's really like a stack of images that belong to one specific, portion of the full set, and it's just like randomly generated and put together. Right, so you can see here, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 different layers. There's like the ears, the base, eyes, this t-shirt, and the hair, and maybe something else, this little cat. And so what happens is you use a tool like Hashlips, which runs through all these different folders, all these different layers, finds a combination and puts them together. And if you notice, in our actual run command here, we can see that we created edition 1 to 5, and then there's this hash, this DNA hash. This is actually very important. This DNA hash assures us that we're not going to see double of the same image. It basically guarantees us the uniqueness of our NFT. I still don't understand NFTs. Bro, let me ask a question. I can try my best to answer you. I'm no expert, but what makes them art? I thought it was handmade. Yeah, NFTs are handmade. So, yeah, this is a good question. What makes an NFT art then, right? Well, the art portion comes in actually creating all these individual layers. Hold on, let me just pull this up a little bit. Ugh. Can I like zoom this like copy image address? Let's see. There you go. Perfect. Okay, sweet. It's not really perfect. It's kind of all right. Can you guys kind of see that? I know my ugly ass face is blocking it, but whatever. So it's AI driven artwork? No. Okay. So is that eyeball project just a base point to start with? Like, is there a lot of random projects you can find? Artwork, the aspect of random generated for artwork. Yeah, okay. It's not AI driven, no. Some NFTs are pre-generated and assigned IDs. The really cool ones generate within a smart contract at mint time. Yeah. So those are like pretty much more advanced concepts. But here, let me just answer Kubelay's question first. It's like, what makes them art? I thought NFTs are handmade. And the question is, they're still handmade. You still have to get the art somehow, right? An NFT is comprised, so the one image that we generated, so if we go back here, if we go to build and we go to our image and we pop this open and we place it here, and let's just zoom in, right? So this NFT, right, this image essentially is generated from the combination of all of these folders. It's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different components. The art isn't convincing people to buy yeah, that is the actual art of NFT. It's convincing people to buy it. The marketing aspect. What's up, kid? Give me that, pal. How you doing, Mel? Okay, so every aspect, you can look at the background. It's a black background. Okay, cool, we got that. Yeah, think of this layering of images as just one way to create NFT art. You can just as easily create custom pieces like Beeple, for example. Yo, what's up, one guy? Welcome in. Yeah, this isn't the only way to build NFTs. It's one way to build NFTs, right? Just like there's a bunch of ways to fucking, eat an orange or like swallow a clementine. There's different ways to make your NFT. But yeah, this is a layer positioning one. This is a layer. So every aspect. So we had the red. You can see like this eyeball. It's red. Our NFT generated image here on the right. It's red. It's red. You guys see what I'm saying? Okay, and then if we go back and if we zoom this out a little bit, if we go back and go to eye color, well, we got the yellow eye color. Okay, cool. So we got, yo, what's up, Dio? Power, bro, come on. Don't be a stranger. And the iris, you guys know the iris already. So yeah, that's basically how NFTs are generated. All right. So it's like different layers stacked together. And again, this image I think is a really good one. Let me just put it here. So you guys see that, right? That's how. Yo, what's up, Crave? No, what's going on? So that's it. That's how this version of NFTs is generated. Just different layers. Each layer is in a folder. They get selected at random and then get all put together. Yada yada yada. You're rich. But here's the thing. If you're Stoner, if you're still here, let me just show you something. Let's say if you notice something, right? These are in a particular order. What if we switch them up? So what if we take these three and put them here? All right. All right, and then repeat our command. So we're gonna generate 5 new ones. So we have 5 new ones now. Let's go back to our folder here. Let's go build images. It didn't even. What is this? What is this? Let's go again. Build images. Look, that's what you get now. All right, you see why the hold on, where's the other? Oh, it deleted, of course. So then we got this. It's a futuristic egg, yeah. But you can see why it matters. NFT misprints are worth more than real ones, like Pokemon. Pokemon cards and Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Yo, kid, are you gonna buy my NFT? You gonna make me rich? So that's why it is in fact important. Damn well. So the layers are like built this. Yeah, exactly, dude. Yes. So when you are making your NFT, if you're gonna be the person doing it, or if you're gonna get an artist to do it, you have to make sure that the layers are organized in such a way. So start from the background, the base layer, and then the feature stack on top. No, I'm buying Yu-Gi-Oh packs, bro. Buy me some. What are you buying? Legend of Blue Eyes, LOB, Magic Ruler, first edition. All right. Cool. Oh, didn't mean to open that. Okay, very nice. Yu-Gi-Oh! Very nice. So now there's a few things you can configure here. All right. Again, you can make this on the Solana network, right? So you can change this to .sol. So if you want to make a collection of 10K, whatever, you just need an artist to make a bunch of different properties. Exactly. Look at this. So I'm not gonna put 10,000, but let's say I put 1,000, right? And I'm gonna just stop it once we see an example. So we're gonna generate 1,000 different NFTs right now. We're gonna run this. Bang! Stop. Look at that. Okay, so I stopped it. I force stopped it. But do you see this part? This DNA exists aspect. What this DNA exists mean is that our combination was creating NFTs. And then when it was creating the 10th one, it actually, by sheer randomization, by sheer random, created one that already existed. So then I had to make a new one. Just, I'm not an artist at all and don't want to drop 1K on some fiber artist. I mean, hey man, like, artists are expensive. Good art costs a lot of money. You can partner up with someone. You can, what can you do? You can partner up with someone. You can find maybe a person who's doing them for free to build a portfolio, or you could pay them, maybe find a good deal. So let me just, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, let's just join the fucking Discord. Let's see, local doesn't local, it's a local thing. DNA exists. I'm gonna show you how it knows that. I'm gonna take a picture of my morning dump every day for a year and then generate NFTs with random toilet bowls for my tourists to sit in. Hey kid, let's pair up. You can be my artist. See, yo, the Melkey dev stream brings people together. We just saw a new person. If you label them gamer girl, I think you've got business. New fresh turds. Yo, look at that, man. We already got marketing done. We already got some tactics done. We got the art done. We got the engineering done. Gamer girl poop NFT. Afro senpai, why are you wearing sunglasses? I don't know. If it makes you more comfortable, I can take them off. I have no reason to be wearing my sunglasses, but I also don't have any reason to not be wearing my sunglasses. Why are these gamer girl poops so big? Yeah, coming from like Kid Queb, who's like 6'2", 240 pounds. Easy. All right, so that's how we just generated 1,000 NFTs. Let's go actually make this proper. So I'm not gonna make 1,000. I'm gonna make 100 NFTs. But let's see. Hang on, I got like a big old DAO. Dog, girls don't poop. Yeah, bro. Astro poops all the time, dude. Okay. So, one more thing that I want to talk about. Before we get to all these advanced configurations, here's something that sorry for all the damn questions, but you know of any other project, the eyeball boys, that are already built for testing purposes? No, I don't. Stop telling people my business, dog. TensorFlow. Yo, we're not using TensorFlow, man. Okay. One more thing I want to talk about is if you know an OpenSea. So let's go on OpenSea right now. Let's go on this fucking shitty ass website. OpenSea. I say shitty just because I'm really bad at it. But it's a more successful website than I could ever fathom of creating. So if you go here and you put in like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? This is the most famous. If you don't know this NFT, it's like the most famous NFT, the most buzzed. I'm sure you guys have seen these monkeys. Just because it's a centralized ledger and we're going to decentralize everything. Okay, let's go to the cheapest one. I don't know. Yo, someone buy me an NFT. You won't. $18,000. Someone drop 18 racks on me. Come on. So properties. You guys see these properties, right? We have this orange one, silver stud, bloodshot, blood clot. That's an offer. Wait, what's an offer? The cheapest one is 78 ETH. Let's go. Oh, is it? Yo, Fabio. Thank you for that raid. Fabio, welcome, man. What is up? Shout out, Fabio. Shout out, Fabio. Beyondy. Let's go. We should make a program that separates layers from NFTs. I want to listen to you. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Give me that, pal. All right. So we can see this. The unexpected raid. Let's go. Yeah, monkeys are more expensive than punk floor now. Insane. Someone buy me one of these, man. Come on. Show some love. So you guys can see that we have all these different rarities and different percentages for our NFTs, right? 5%, 3%, 3%, 8%, 8%. How do you get these? Well, Hashlips actually took care of that for us. If you look at here, cyan, green, pink, purple, red, yellow, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10. That controls the rarity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 10, 15. It's only 300k CAD. Yo, Matt, how much you like me? Matt, how much you like me? Man-made horrors beyond your comprehension. What's up, Sasso? Hello, Mr. Melkey. What's up, I haven't seen you for a while, dude. How you doing, man? Welcome in, You doing good, bro? CryptoPunk's like 880k now, so probably more on your price range. You guys kill me. All right, what editor IDE do you use? El Ruggiero del Leon. I use Nuvim. No. Config. Can I take out a mortgage for a JPEG? Yo, your wife would be like, Mijo. You know? Alright, so let's go make some rarity stuff. But first, let's check this out. Node utils rarity. Check this out. Wow. Oh, it didn't work. Whoops. Okay. Let's make cyan the rare one. So leave it at 1. Let's make green 5. Right? Let's make green 5. Let's make yellow the most common one at 10. Let's make purple a 5 as well, a 5er. And then let's also make red 5. All right. So this is going to depend on the rarity. So our total is 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. So that's 20, 21, 26, 27. So this cyan rarity is 1 out of every 27 generations, roughly. It's a statistic, it's a probability, right? So it lingers, it fluctuates like a bad bowel movement. Think of that, Paul. I can't see who you are, but make sure you drop a comment in the chat so I can say hello to you. Okay? Let's see what else we want to change. Eyeball. 50-50. That's Gucci. That's only 1. Iris. Fine. Cool. So that's it. Okay, so we have our rarity set. So now we're gonna make 100 out of these baddies. So let's go and do that. Actually, before we make 100, because we're still gonna experiment, let's make 10. I'm gonna make 10 of these. Go here. and we're gonna run this thing. So there you go. We're gonna generate our 10 NFTs. Then, as pendejos that we are, we're gonna look at our NFTs. We're gonna go to build. We're gonna go images. And there's one thing I haven't shown you guys. So here, look, our NFTs. Look, we're gonna be rich. Boom, boom. Look at this. Look, yellow, yellow. Oh, look, what? Where's the Scion one? Didn't even generate. How'd you register Hypercam, bro? Yo, what's up? Yo, this guy's asking the real questions. This guy's asking the real fucking questions, huh? Oh, man. Dude, that's a tale. That's something. Are you using Hashlips? Yeah, this is Hashlips. I'm using Hashlips right now to generate our images. This is all Hashlips, so I'm going through it. Yeah, I can't show you the how I generated Hypercam. It's secret. It's secrecy. Okay, so there you go. So we generate all of our NFTs. They look fly. Who cares? We're gonna generate a real batch soon. But there's one more thing I haven't shown you guys yet. I've been keeping a secret from you all. I fucked up. I closed my file thing. Documents, personal, Web3, stream. That's what we're doing. Episode 2, Hashlips Art Engine, build. We didn't look at the JSON yet. So the JSON Derulo. We actually don't need this. We can actually look at it here. The guy isn't fooling around with NFTs if he has a Hypercam merch, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Put some spec on my name. Put some spec on my name. What else are we looking at? What's up, man? This is Ubuntu 20.04. All right, so we have all this. Let me change the music. You guys, I don't think I'm even vibing with this right now. Hold up. Cool. So here we go. So we have the name of our NFT. This is the metadata for each NFT. So metadata 1 belongs to image 1. Melkey, what's image 1? Got you, dude. This is 1. I fucked up. It's not JSON. Images 1.png. So this is 1.png. All right. Now the metadata associated to 1.png is here. Ubuntu's like FIFA every year. They increase the number, but nothing changes, bro. Facts. So here you go. Right, we have the name, we have the description, we have the image URI. We're gonna change this. Don't worry. This is where it actually gets stored. We're gonna use IPFS in a second. This is the unique DNA. So this Kubele. If you're still here, it's not doing any kind of external API. It's just basing off the DNA of this hash here. Okay, and it has the attributes right here. Right, the traits, so the background's black, the eyeball is red, eye color is yellow, the iris is medium, the shinish. It's whatever attribute you put, whatever folder you put, there you go. Nah, they have to rewrite how programs launch and boot each time. And then we always have to give respect to the compiler, which is Hashlips Art Engine. All right, cool. So a few things I want to show you guys is node.utils rarity. Here you go. So we have this rarity command. This shows you how rare each item is. So, you know, it just goes by every single one and tells you that with this 0 out of 10 were cyan or cyan. I don't know if I should put my hat on. Oh. Man, wearing sunglasses inside is stressful. Can't you just make an NFT of every bitmap that has a non-existing hash? What? Can't you make an NFT of every bitmap that has a non-existing hash? I mean, that's if you want to max out if that's how you'd find out the maximum amount of NFTs you can build in them with the amount of traits you have. Yeah. Damn, nice eyes. Yo, thank you, Otzi. Okay. So there you go. That's how we find the rarity. There's a lot of other. I have no idea what I'm talking about, by the way. Dude, me neither, man. Me neither. We can generate metadata. We can preview. We can do a GIF. We can update info. We're gonna use update info in just a second here. Okay, cool. So that's basically how we generate them. There's a few other cool configs that we can use. So You can format as the width and height of your NFT, so the image size. You can make it to a GIF, so you can export a GIF if you want. You can add text. This is how, you know, pixely you want it to be, background. There's a bunch of cool stuff that Hashflip's added, so I definitely want you guys to check it out. Put some love on it if you're gonna use this project. I've used Hashflips basically just for generating my images. Okay, so let's go make 100 of these. Cool. And then let's clear this, and then index. Yo, what's up, 7CCHD? Do exclamation point today. Bang. But who will buy if it was programmatically generated? It has no soul that way. Dude, you'll be surprised. You would be surprised. Okay, cool. So let's go. Let's check our build file. Hey. So we have build images. Okay, we have all 100 images. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Oh man, I like this one. This one looks really beautiful. What do you guys think of this eye? Or people sell their soul by buying into crypto? I think it's you know, people will buy whatever they want / can. The soul is in the dev, I guess. You can look at. Yeah, you can look at it like that. You can look at it like that. Yo, oh my. No way. What is happening? What is happening? The Alt F4, Atoda, Eric, the duo, the dynamic, the dudes. Snow cone here. The beautiful people here. How you guys doing? I was just finishing picking my nose. You know, doing my own thing. Scratching under my armpits. You know how we do, man. Staying a gentleman. Gotta keep my gentleman persona up. Blink some NFTs. Make it quick. You know, I'm like your uncle. I do a quick rich schemes. That's what I'm about here. I'm joking about everything except the nose picking part. I was doing that. You can rewind the VOD. Welcome. It's a BG. I'm just here for the ride. Atoda, I love you. I miss you. BG. BG said the nicest things to me on his stream today. Didn't he know shout out? Oh, Craven already on that. Yo, thank you. These guys are the best, man. I'm not gonna, you know. The majority of you just came from that raid. These two need no introduction. These two need no introduction. They need me to inflate their tires. But let me just say something, man. These two are the real core homies. Real core homies. They're, you know, every time I had a problem, I can hit these guys up. If I don't talk to them for like months, 5 months, I don't talk to them, I could be like, yo, BG, I have a problem, man. He'd be like, yo, I'm free in 15 minutes. I got a Discord call. Let me call you. I'm like, all right. You know, it's like there's no time loss. It's not like one of these friendships where you gotta be like, hey, how are you? Just checking in, like making sure they were, you know, it's like, nah, it's like not none of that. None of that. You know, it's like these guys, once you're cool with them and once they like you, you know, you're friends for a while. So that's a really good, that's the kind of people they are. So big shout to them. Thank you for those raid guys. Yeah, BG got some OBS problems today, man. I got OBS problems too, man. I got 99 problems and all of them OBS. All of them OBS, man. I also been having Ubuntu problems. Man, Ubuntu has been real cheesing me. Like, I'm thinking I might not even use Ubuntu anymore. I swear. Shit just keeps breaking. Everything keeps breaking, man. It's love-hate. I hate relationship with OBS. It is. It really is. Hey, indecision tree. What's going on? Ubuntu hitting you in the jewels, eh? Manjar's i3 gaps. Do it. Bro, I probably hate my life even more, man. Might just go straight Mac. Might just be a Mac boy. Alright. So we're here doing our NFT scheme. I mean, we're here teaching people how to do NFTs and tutorials. I mean, you know, I'm gonna stop trying to act cool and sound cool. I'm gonna be back to my nerdy self here. So we just generated 100 NFTs. They're looking like the first time I looked. The Beatles right here, looking beautiful. Look at this one. This is my favorite. It's like an anime character or something, you know, like. Jeez, a little bit of red there. Smoking some trees. All right, cool. So we created 100 of these generated NFTs. We can go to JSON. This is the JSON. Yo, Ecos. Tell me, did you join a Discord? I need to talk to you, bro. Please don't make me beg on my stream. I'll beg on my stream, bro. Please join my Discord. Sending you a personal INV. Okay. Yeah, so if we go back and look at the J Star, I'm not going everywhere, man. That raid really starstruck me. Bang. So we already just talked about all of this. All right, now here, since he left in a second, he messaged you like, yo, give me that config though. Yo, give me that config, fam. Give me that fucking config, man. Okay. So now we have everything generated. I'm gonna show you guys how it gets a little confusing. We don't need any of this. We need to actually deploy stuff to IPFS. What's IPFS? Don't bother actually learning what it is. Just say it enough that you kind of, you know, you can use in a sentence. That's the key to everything, man. IPFS. Pinata. That's my name. My name is Alexander. Alexander the okay. Alexander he tried hard. Alexander, he did his best. You didn't know? Now you know. So what are we gonna have to do? We're gonna have to upload like interplanetary file system or some crypto thing. Interplanetary file system. Yes, Alexander Gopher. Dude, nah, man. I'm Alexander. I did my best. There's Alexander the Great. There's Alexander the okay, and there's Alexander. He did his best. So that's where I'm at. So we're gonna go to personal. We're gonna go Web3. We're gonna go to our stream right here, building NFTs, because that's what we're doing. Hashlips engine, build. Where's that build? There you go. Build, images. Select that folder. Upload this. Upload every single one of them. Yeah. We're gonna click upload. Name. What's the name of this? Okay. iProject images. iProject images. There you go. And then you click upload. Give it a second. It's shy. It's shy. It's nervous. It's nervous. File successfully uploaded. Okay, so we go up. Dude, my hair is so messy too. It's gross. Okay, so it's not showing up. Ah, there it is. Okay, cool. So we're gonna click. There's a few really cool, interesting things here. I'm gonna. Can you guys see this, or do you want me to zoom in? Yeah, your name goes down as the owner of the ledger. So what you're telling us is the NFTs are just file host on IPF. Yeah, that's exactly what NFTs are. NFTs are 2 to like 4 to 5 piece combination. There's a JPEG that's PNG. Literally, it's a JPEG that's PNG. That JPEG itself is just it's just you know, it consists of multiple different layers of JPEGs. But that's what it is. And then you're buying a JSON file. This functionality, you're buying an ID in an array. You also get an ID in an array. Yes, you also get a unique ID in an array. But yeah, there's a bunch of functionality you can do with it. But that's I just work here. So, okay, so click this little link. So, Pinata, this is my IPFS manager. Damn, this is the future. Yo, so scary. But it's immutable and distributed. No cap, on God, on a stack. Look at this. So now, if you click one of these there you go. There's our PNG. Now they're hosted, right? Think of IPFS as like a cloud provider, right? It's Google, it's AWS, it's Azure. It's IBM motherfucking Watson. It's Billy Kimba, all right? So, and you can change this, right? Like I could go, what number do I like? Let's go 68. And bang, we have the 68th PNG. Okay? We have the 68th PNG. We could go, I need a number 2, 1 in 100. Someone, go. Give me a number 2, 1 in 100 right now. Please. 1 in 100, I'm not, blockchain distributed ledger, IPF is distributed, 7. Okay. Null gives us 7. Okay, I put 6. 96. Baby. You guys hear the music? Yo, Null, how's the music? He's my audio engineer. My staff audio engineer. 96. So you guys can see it, right? These are all just images hosted on a server. Nothing too fancy about it. It's not impressive. So if epics gets hacked, they run away with millions of NFTs? No, not necessarily. No 69. You guys want 69? I'll do 69 for the culture. Do it for the culture. Look at that. That's definitely 69 eyes, dude. You don't want to see those, man. You don't want to see. That's not someone you take out on an event. That's not someone you meditate with. You know, if they look at you like this, if I get to look like this, I'm I'm concerned. If I get a look like this from down the street, if I'm in a private setting and I get these eyes, it's definitely concern in the back of the brain, you know. It's definitely something that I gotta think about. Anyways, so that nothing's impressive here. What is though? We're gonna copy this link. This is called a CID. Don't ask what it stands for. I literally just followed a couple YouTube tutorials and I'm doing a stream on this. But what we do is we go back to our config here. So config.json. Hold on, sorry, my JSON Derulo showing. If you go back to config.js, right here, base Yuri. You guys remember this base Yuri? Go to build again, and give me a JSON. Let me flap this. Look at this, the image. This is where it's hosted. IPFS new URI to replace /1.png. Wait, hold up. Everyone stop. Let's backtrack a little bit. Didn't we just see something very similar to this? Hey, yo, can we go back in here for a second? Huh, IPFS. Okay. .cc.png. Bang! IPFS is the decentral. Yeah, exactly. Or couldn't you store the actual image files on the blockchain to ensure the max security? You can definitely store every PNG and every metadata on the blockchain itself. That's totally feasible. Again, there's many different ways to do this. Storage is, yeah, it's also very, and it's not just expensive, it's a slow process. It's much slower, especially if you're on Ethereum or any layer 1. Like, I would not recommend doing it on blockchain. Like, I would do a heavy, like, Melkey does not approve if you're going to do it on the blockchain on, like, Ethereum or BTC. That is just, like, that does not compute. You're going to be paying a bunch of money to do any kind of processes on it, and it's going to be very slow, and you're going to boggle it down. And if you have, like, a mint activity, like, you know, just don't even. Okay, hold on. This song is, like, too sad. I'm not too down for sad music. All right, cool. So that's why now we're going to take the CID. We're going to go back into here, into not this JSON, into our config.json, and we're just basically going to do a little like that. That's all we're going to do. Right, just was asking for making sure possible. Also, EVM is compatible with other chains, right? Like the project you're doing here wouldn't be super it would not be super hard to implement other chains. No. I mean, hash slips, think of hash slips as completely almost separate any chain. And I'd say that with an asterisk. Anytime you make an NFT on a different chain, you have to make sure that the metadata is correct. So like Solana has different metadata, right? There's different properties that you need on a Solana metadata for a Solana NFT. There's Near protocol that has its own set of regulations for metadata. There is Avalanche that has its own protocol for JSON metadata. So there's a few things that you gotta do, like One Harmony, the NFTs on that have to be different metadata. So you gotta make sure that you can you know what it is. So read the documentation. Okay, cool. So we just updated our base URI, but then we still have this issue of all of our existing URIs have this image, right? And we just uploaded all 100 images to our IPFS. So if we upload all 100 to our IPFS to get the CID to come back here and to regenerate, wouldn't we always have that loop of never having the correct JSON data for the uploaded IPFS images? The question is basically yes, but thankfully you can just change metadata. You can do node utils, and then it is before I click something that I'm gonna regret. Let's go. It is up to info. Bang. So updated base URI, updated descriptive images, updated prefix. So it'd be hard to have one owner of an NFT that tracks through all the different chains. So I mean, yeah, there is. That would be pretty difficult. And then bang. Now if we look at the exact same JSON, okay. So look at that. We have an IPFS. All right. Let's see. Let's take this. Let's take that. Let's go back here. Delete all the way up to here. Paste it. Bang. So we know it works. Let's do it one more time. Let's go to number 11. Right? Thank you for that follow. I do not know who you are. But make sure you comment in the chat saying hello so I can give you a pow. I just can't see who follows me. And then the Extreme Elements doesn't work anymore, so that's convenient. Bang. So it works. We can confirm that it works, and our IPFS works as intended. So now, if we go back to Pinata, we have our iProject images. We have to upload one more thing folder. I'm gonna select it. Same thing. Documents. Ignore all my personal things. Web3. We're going to go to stream. Building NFTs. Episode 2. Build. JSON. Now, one thing I actually goofed. You don't have to delete this. I do it because it doesn't belong. When you use hashlibs to generate NFT metadata, you get this one thing here, this underscore metadata.json. You can just go ahead and delete it. It's not needed. Well, F that. What's up? Yo, what's up? JSNJ? Give me that, pow, dude. How you doing today? How's life, man? I appreciate that. I see you're a first time viewer. Appreciate that love, man. Stream. Building NFT. Episode 2. Hashlibs. Build. And then JSON. And then you just go click JSON. Upload. It's gonna ask upload 100 files. Upload. We got tree in here. I'm gonna call iProject underscore metadata. Upload. Cool. Yo, what's up, damn it, Jun? How's it going? Cool. So now we have our metadata and our images perfectly fine, and they're perfectly, we can look at each one, we can pull them. So now what's left is a really interesting aspect. Where's the fridge? Oh, I'm gonna deprecate the fridge, man. Snack chat. I'm good, my man. How are you? Just want to go to bed, but saw your stream and just clicked it. Hey, man, you got that last minute evil night temptation, huh? You got that last night jitters to check out the Melkey Dev stream. I feel that, man. Go to sleep. You don't need no lullaby. You need that Melkey Dev. Pow. I got you, dude. Rest in peace to Balagna. Yeah, rest in peace, Balagna. You're Melkey. Can I get that old fridge from you? I don't know. I think I am gonna remake it. I think I'm definitely gonna remake it. I wanna improve it. It's in the to-do list for 2022. I'm just Delkey Mev and Go. Delkey Mev and Go, baby. Snack Chat was made in Node.js, which is cool. But I'm not I'm just not really I'm not too experienced with JavaScript. I don't really use Node. I think the last Node project I actually made was Snack Chat. I'm pretty sure Snack Chat was the last Node project I ever even touched. So it's been a minute. I'm just way more better at Python and Go. So I'm gonna keep that trend. Alright, cool. So we have this done. Now, I was thinking Node slow, we rustin', baby. I was thinking about something, right? I introduced, if you go back into episode 1, CD. If we go to episode 1, and we actually look at the contract we made and deployed. This is deployed. This is no joke. I introduced this concept of revealing and not revealing. I thought about it long and short, soft and softer, and I figured I'm not going to introduce the revealed URI. I'm not going to have the functionality of revealing it or not. Because I don't want to add... Now I don't know if I want to remove it. Now I just don't know if I want to remove it. I just don't know. It's a hard... Yo, thank you for that follow. It's a hard decision. Do I create the hidden NFT with the hidden metadata, or do we just deploy it? No, we're just gonna deploy it. We're just gonna deploy it. We're just gonna deploy it. Fuck it. I made my decision. Sorry, guys. Ban me, father. Just gonna so set base. We're gonna redeploy our contract. Let's see. Do we have any more reveal functions? No, that's it. I don't know what's going on, but I'm appalled. Tree, not you, Tree. You just came back, Tree. My life was so dark. The algo cave was gone. Yo, by the way, should we make a new algo cave? I know a bunch of people are starting to like go into the whole mood of leak code, especially after my last stream, the Sunday one about how to prepare for Fang interviews. I got a lot of messages of people like, you know, wanting to go and learn how to algo and stuff. Seems like a lot of people are grinding right now, but they got nowhere to gather. No cave to cuddle. Oh my god, Jackbo? Who the fuck is this guy? Bro, what the fuck? Are you lost? The fuck you doing on my stream, man? Did you take a left when you're supposed to take a right? What's up, homie? Give me that pow, dude. Hope school's treating you well, dude. Okay, cool. So let's go up here for a second here. Man, I need some motivation to code, so I came around here. First thing I got motivation to do it. Pow. Yeah, dude. Bro, if a loser like me can code, a champ like you can code, you know? Okay, so we got rid of the reveal function. Thank you for that follow. Don't know who you are, because I can't see my follower messages, but you know, I'm gonna pretend that you're Paris Hilton. I'm pretending the person who just followed me is Brad Pitt. So that's good. That works in my favor. I got 3 Fs in my 9 classes. Hell yeah. Yo, another follower. That was Tom Brady. That was Tom Brady. So yo, thank you, Paris Hilton, Brad Pitt, Tom Brady. Appreciate you guys getting in here, giving those pows. Let's go. All right, so we gotta deploy this bitch ass again. I'm sorry for my swearing, man. I'm sorry. If my employer's watching this, I'm gonna get a stern warning. Node, I'm joking. I won't. Node, run. Sergey, just follow, bro. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Sergey, node, run. Scripts, deploy, and then flag network, Rinkyby. Yeah, eh? Wogs. Mall not found? Say it to my face, you won't. Oh, I put new work. Bro. Do you even work at Twitch? Again? Now I'm starstruck. Oh, I see why. Node hard hat, obviously, run, scripts, deploy, toss that flag in there, network, and then rink B. Bro, what? MPX hard hat. Sorry, I'm doing this on purpose to test you guys. Bang. Okay, so what's going on? On our contract line 23. Contract line 23A. Let's just close this up. Let's go up a dir. Let's go in here. Contracts. Soul. Some feet souls. And where's the music? Oh, I'm at this part. This YouTube video, it's like it like gets quiet for no reason. Okay, what line was that? Line 23. True. Oh, and actually, I just remembered in our deploy script and our run script. Yeah, I goofed both of these, man. In here, don't like how that looks. My bad. In here, we no longer need this example hidden. Can get rid of that. So we have to change our constructor because we removed the hidden one. All right, cool. Now let's see this. I can deploy, please. Okay, sweet. Okay, so deployed. It's also gonna run 2 mint functions. Copy. And then if we go back into Rinkby and we slap her in there, slather it, let's see what happens. So we have, okay, so we have the contract. It's on a test network. It's deployed. Now, if we go back to our oh, it finished. So if I go back and I refresh this, we should see there. We have 1 mint function. Yo, wait, we finally have a register. Yeah, bro. Dude, we leveled up, man. That Twitch money is different. It'd be hitting different. I'm just kidding. Someone donated for me to register it. Okay, I'm gonna keep refreshing until we get the 2nd mint block. Because we have the 1 mint block here. There it is. They don't call him a manga man for nothing. They don't call me man at all. Okay, you guys see this? So there's our 2 mints, and there's a bit of a delay because it takes time for one of these to be called. Okay, but sweet. So it works. It's deployed. That's awesome. Now, here's some funny news. It's actually not going to matter because we're going to use something else called Remix Ethereum. I recommend to use this if you want to deploy contracts. It makes a lot of things stupid easy. Stupid easy. But let's go back to Excalibur for 1 second. So we want to deploy. Okay, we did that. We wanted to make the art. So we did that. We used the tools from Hashlips. We're gonna generate all the NFTs. Done. Generate all the NFT metadata. That's done too. We're install it on IPFS. Done. Okay. And then we're going to, so we're at the last part. We're going to use remix the Ethereum to deploy and actually mint. We're gonna see if this works, man. It's gonna be tough. I didn't prepare this part. I didn't think I was gonna get here, but oh, what? Oh, this is from like a while back. This is when I was actually trying to prepare this stream. Like that was like from 2 weeks ago. Okay, cool. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here. So save that, get rid of all that. And then you grab your contract. You can grab all this. Start from here. You know what? This is a comment, doesn't really matter. Grab your entire contract, the entire thing of it. Dude, my Moonlander is so greasy. I actually do not like using my Moonlander right now. And paste it. Okay. Bang. Okay. Yo, what's up, that shady boy? Give me that pal, homie. Greasy? Yeah, dude, my Moonlander is mad greasy. Mad greasy. It's so gross. Cool. So we have our contract here. Oh, nani? Function variable struct or modified declaration expected. Sorry? Okay. Let's see, compile it. Parse error. Oh, is it because, okay, I think I see it's like not properly formatted from what I could see here. Huge pal, man's gonna take my job away now. Nah, dude. Semicolons with coma. No, I don't think that's actually the problem. Line 11. Yeah. Wait a second. What? Yeah, I just noticed that. How the hell did that happen? What? I was like, bro, how? Everything just got deleted. Whoa, okay. Didn't yank on your knee of him. I guess I didn't, but like, that's a little weird. That's suspicious. All right, so okay, there you go. Okay, bro. Okay, you guys can't even see this. How come you guys didn't tell me to zoom in? Are you guys not telling me to zoom in? How do I zoom in? You guys acting all nice there, but like, oh, we don't want to bother. Nah, bro. Okay, cool. You guys can see this now. All right. So you go here, you get this green check. Oh, hey, it's a little small. Can you zoom, please? Thank you. Web to now, and why using Remix? Dash A boy. So I just finished deploying everything to IPFS. We did a test deploy. We looked at RinkB. The reason why I use Remix is because it's just easier. You can do everything on hard hat. You can deploy, continue that, but Remix is just easier, man. It's just, it is. So I did both. I developed using hard hat, tested it, made sure it's a-okay, and if I want to do this stuff, bang bang, shiggity whack whack, you know. So let's go here, go to the compiler, make sure you pick your contract. We called it NFT. I only find it nice to load contract address and then view, click some functions. I mean, yeah, like what else do you need? Auto compile, we're gonna enable optimization. Language is in fact Solidity. Our compiler, just leave it at just leave this. There's a bunch of ones. I don't see that. I don't know. And then compile. I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. Sweet, green check mark, swag. Now, this is the part that really separates Remix from everything else. It's this screen right here. I'm gonna show you guys why. Okay, so first things first, make sure you pick the right contract. Contract/NFT. That's all. That's our contract. Now look, first thing, this thing popped up. String name, string symbol. You can do this. So this is actually our constructor information here, right? That's what makes it cool. It's very smart. Like, that's pretty intellectual. So you can put the name of our NFT, our symbol, and init base URI, which, remember, Pinata, iProject metadata, it's this right here. But we'll get to that in just 1 second. So first of all, go click your MetaMask. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the RinkB test network, because if you do something here and there's a lot of errors, not errors, but a lot of like windows that come up to ask for confirmation, make sure you don't click the wrong thing. Make sure you're on the RinkB test network and you have some test ETH. If you want to know how to get some test ETH, make sure you go watch the VOD from last week. Okay, so these are virtual machines. What we want to do is injected Web3. This is injected Web3 is kind of the real deal, so to speak. This is where it actually is going to get deployed to a blockchain. Damn, almost out of test ETH, lol. Yeah, bro, someone sent me that ETH, man. Some need those donos. Excuse me. So here, RinkB4, so that's a test net. That's the ID of our network. So you can, that's just confirmation of where you're at. And then the first time you use Remix, it'll actually connect your wallet, so it will know what network you're on. Okay, so that's the account, and that shows me how much test ETH I have left. You can set the gas limit to whatever you want. I would advise just to leave it as is. That's fine. Okay. Now this value, this way value, this is how much it's going to cost essentially to mint your NFTs, or how much it's going to cost to mint any of these NFTs. Okay. And we can change these, right? We set to 0.05 Ether. And again, this isn't 0.05 ETH. Ether is a unit. It's a unit, right? It's like times 10 to the 18th zeros. Max supply and max min supply. We can change this. We actually have a max supply of 100, and then each person can have a max of 5. Ether is ETH. I'm pretty sure Ether is a measurement unit. One way is 10 to the 18th. Is Okay, hold on. Let's see. Ethereum way. No, sorry. Ether way converter. Yeah, ETH dash converter. So let's see. 0.05. Ether is the whole unit. Our smallest is Wei. You got Gwei, Finny, and a few others in between. Oh, is that how it works? But yes, in Solidity, Ether just means 1 E to 18. Okay, so that, okay. All right, so that's how I was thinking about it. Ether is a whole unit. Smallest is Wei. You got Gwei. Okay, yeah. It is native asset on any EVM chain. So yeah, in Solidity, Ether just means 1 to 18. Gotcha. Yeah, so that's how I was thinking about it. But okay, so now I know. So Ether is actually based of Ethereum. So wait, so code Larkin, when you say in Solidity, Ether just means 1 E to the 18th. Like, what, like, so what is that? Does that mean it's just 1 times 10 to 18th Wei? It's syntax for Wei. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, so then correction. It's a syntax. You're right. It's just a unit. Alright. I clearly don't understand. I thought Ether was a unit. I guess it is a base measure of Ether. Ether is ETH on Ethereum mainnet. It's the native asset EVM chain. Okay, maybe I just don't understand, which is fine. It's fun. Units convert into other units. That, yeah. Yes. Yeah, so that's, yeah, so Ether, oh, whoops. Whatever. I think everyone understands enough. Okay? I think everyone understands enough of what Ether and Wei is. I think of them as units. I've always thought of them as units. But okay, cool. So we're gonna leave this 0, but you can convert it with that little converter tool. I have no idea. I'm so lost, bro. Welcome to my life. Okay, so before we deploy, where are we at? Currently, you have no instance to interact. Wait, what? Oh, that's to recompile. Contract. Here you go. I haven't even touched any of this stuff yet. Oh, but you will. It's not hard at all. Okay, we're gonna call this I NFT. The symbol is gonna be E NFT, and the init base URL. So it's gonna be IPFS 2.: and actually, if you go to OpenSea metadata standards, this is what you should refer to this. That's what I'm referring to because I'm not 100% sure even. IPFS. So let's see. IPFS awareness. Nope. Here we go. Yeah, so I was right. It's IPFS and the hash. So IPFS, just copy this. Copy, go back to remix. Sorry for confusing you. You made me think about it more. It is just a unit that means 118. My bad. Okay. We all right. Okay, now, this part is confusing. You don't want the images, right? There's 2 CIDs. We have our 100 NFT generated images, and we have our 100 generated metadata for our images. Grab the one for the metadata. So just copied, right? I do a rule of 3. I click it 3 times, but that's maybe my OCD. And then here, paste it, and then one last thing, add a slash. You have to add the slash. Now, why do you need to add a slash? That slash basically is needed because it's slash 1.png, slash 2.png, slash n.png, right? So that base URL, if we go to it, right? Let's go. Let's just click this. Connection interrupted, blah, blah, blah. Here you go. Click 1. So we just copied this portion you have to add the slash, and then the one.json will follow. And then what the metadata will contain is the address for our images. Okay, so what you could do to be extra safe, to make sure we did everything right before you deploy, before it costs money, you grab all this, right? So metadata 1 has this image property in our JSON file. Grab everything and then just replace it. And if it works, you should get the image that represents the first NFT collectible of your collection. Cool. So those are just some safety things you can do to check, make sure everything's working correctly. There's a lot of moving parts, and if it's your first time, like this is like, I think this is the 4th time I've done this, and I still don't know what the hell I'm doing. So these are just my recommendations. Again, you could do whatever you want. All right. So now, the last couple of checks that we can do. We just check the IPFS and make sure that metadata translates to the image URL. We're going to make sure that our MetaMask is on Rinkeby test network and that we have test ETH. We're going to make sure that we're on injected Web3. We're going to make sure that this Rinkeby says, this network says Rinkeby 4. Make sure that we get a green check mark here. Our right contract is selected. We put in the right info for our constructor. Time to transact. So we're going to deploy this. MetaMask is going to pop up. It's going to say, hey, the estimated gas fee is 0.0567 ETH. If you do this on Ethereum main network, this is going to cost you about $1,600 USD as of today. Probably more. So we're going to click confirm. Our transaction is confirmed. At the bottom here, you can see it's creation of NFT pending. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait to make sure our NFT contract gets deployed. And we're going to look at it on the Rinkeby Etherscan network. And then we're going to interact with it. Bang. Okay. So you guys can see. Oh, what's up, Straw Hat Fleet? Mugiwara. Give me that, pal. How you doing, man? Cool. Hey. There you go. So this is our contract. So I'm not gonna talk about these just yet. When you deploy a contract, thank you for that follow. I don't know who you are. I can't see the names of people following me. I appreciate it. He's just using big words. Yeah, I am just using big words. So then we're gonna copy this and we're gonna go to Rinkeby and we're gonna paste. Bang, and here's our contract. Made 46 seconds ago. From this in my wallet, and there you go. Okay, so that's our contract deployed. It's looking mint. Go back to Remix. Okay, now I'm going to talk to you guys about what these things are right here. So these are built-in functionalities. These orange ones and these blue ones. There's a bit of a difference. Okay, well, there's orange, red, and blue. Okay, so I'll start with the blue ones. Blue ones basically mean read commands. They just read from the blockchain. They read contract. They read functions from a blockchain contract. And one thing to note: every function here that you see costs an amount of cryptocurrency. The read ones cost the least because it really costs nothing to read the contract, right? But if you're on Ethereum, it might cost a little bit, right? And then here, orange ones are functions that are called, they're writes. And then the red ones are functions that interact with transitioning money, transitioning the currency from one contract to another. Okay, so withdraw, if you're the owner, you can withdraw from the deployed contract all the money that you got from selling your NFTs to your personal account, and then everyone can mint. Okay, so first, let's go look at pause. Read the value, so we call to nft.pause. If there's a transaction on blockchain, our pause is false. So that means our contract is not paused. So that means we should be able to mint. So if I go to mint amount, I want to mint 1. Mint. Transaction, MetaMask. Oh, got this in the background as I'm working on my CS project. Hey, hell yeah, man. Appreciate that. I'm going to click confirm. Again, it's going to cost some money for our transaction. And since we're the owner and how our contract is made, if you're the owner of the contract and you're deploying it, our mint doesn't cost anything. Okay, and then it says, there you go. So here, it's a transact nft.mint pending, and then it says, here you go. So our mint function is done. Now, before we actually look at our NFT collection OpenSea, one thing that we can see here is if we refresh our contract on Etherscan, it's not showing the transactions. Let's see. It should show the transactions happening on the blockchain, but it's not. Scammed. What's up, Rage AU? How you doing? I mean, we do have a block. Let's see this. Transaction has. There you go. I'm doing well, man. Thank you for asking. Yeah, so from to that should have been reflected on our block. Etherscan may be a little slow, but I don't know. Okay, so we'll give it a second. It should be instant though, but you know what I'm saying? Cool. So now we can look at these. Hi, I like potatoes. Oh, what's up, commentator? How's it going, man? I like potatoes too. Who doesn't like potatoes? Okay, so now let's go look at our NFT on OpenSea. I think that'd be very cool to see. Hey, I won. You did. You're gonna get 100 to win. Thank you for all these followers. If you guys don't know, hit up the Discord. If you want all the VODs that are on my YouTube VOD channel. But yeah, welcome in, guys. Welcome in, everyone. Last Sunday we did a VOD, a very popular stream where we talked about how to prepare for Fang interviews. I know a lot of people are prepping for Fang, so I made that video. Every Sunday we do engineering talks, and if you join the Discord, we are going to reopen the Algo Cave. So if you're doing the Fang interview algorithm grind, we'll make a channel there just for you guys. Okay, let's go to OpenSea. Testnet OpenSea. Testnet's Algo Cave? Oh man. Indecision tree got excited. Okay. But what about the Haskell hovel? No. You're not gonna get me in the Haskell hovel. I'm not budging on that one. Would you know of a good C#? I would not. I would not be the right person to ask. Not even gonna pretend. Bang! So we put in the contract, and there it is. There's an NFT. And here's the one we minted. We can do it again. Who wants to see me do it again? Tim Corey is good at here. Nani is Tim Corey. Okay, we're gonna do one more. So we're gonna mint. Click mint one more. Transaction mint pending. Paid the gas fee because we're the owners. So if you're not the owner, you try to mint, you're gonna have to pay the way fee. What's up, D-Rex Design? How are you? Give me that pow. First time viewer. Pow, Holmes. You went to dev code camp. Nice. Okay, cool. So our transaction's done. We got the little green check mark. We go back here, refresh. It should hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, it did not. You just like the mint boy to, exactly, yeah. Might take some time. Might take some time. OpenSea is kind of slow. Oh, there you go. We have 2 items. Those fans on GPU farms do not spin for nothing. Yeah, it said we had 2 items, so I think the metadata is just taking a while for it to load. But I assure you, it worked. There you go. There you go. Now you can see it. So it's slow. It's slow. We can see from this perspective. There's the name of our NFT collection, and we have 2 separate NFTs. We'll do it one more time. So we're gonna mint one more. I'm gonna run out of test ETH. Confirm. Wait for it to confirm. Okay, it's done. Go back. So we know we have 2 here. We have 2, and let's just refresh. I don't know. What are we listening to right now? What the hell was that? Cool. And let's go here, grab this. Still says 2. There you go. And now we have 3. That ship's dope, my guy. Time to drop an ETH on an artist and then 5K on gas, and you can make some monies. Yeah, exactly. Think of that follow. All right, cool. So now we went from 2. We have 3. The metadata is slowly populating any day now. There's the 3rd one. All right. So there you guys see it. There it is. Okay. So that is basically the process of how we go from create a contract, right? We created the contract. Let's summarize what we did today. We polished up the contract. Here we go. On our local development platform, on our IDE of choice, whatever. We tested it with our run script and deploy script on the Rinkeby test network. We then created and generated our data using a tool called Hashlips. And Hashlips generates our NFTs for us. And it created 100 uniquely generated NFTs. We then took all of that, put it on the Remix Ethereum IDE, deployed it. Is the Milkman here? Anywhere? Oi! Oi! What's up, Brandon C? Give me that, pal. How you doing, man? You're actually blowing my mind. Blowing my mind! Brandon, we're doing an NFT scam. You in? Get in. Don't ask questions. Get in. We just made 3 new NFTs, Brandon. So there you go. And I think if we actually look, money laundering starts now, or join secret Discord group for secret money laundering tactics. Yo, if you guys want to get rich quick, man, I got 5 methods for you. All you gotta do is these 5 easy methods to get 5,000 a minute. Follow these 5 basic steps for your way to change your life. Trust me, I make YouTube videos. You gotta pay group. I'm not joining unless I need to pay. I donate my money to Albanian church for laundering. You guys are gonna get me in trouble, man. All right, let's see what kind of music we want to listen to now. We're probably gonna slowly drift to finishing up this beautiful stream. What is this? All right. On a serious note, this was super dope to watch from start to finish. Very informative. Yo, thank you. Yo, no problem, man. I'm happy you were here from the beginning, dude. Seriously. I know people have very busy lives. Some people get called for work. Some people have to do this, take care of family. Toner, you were here since the beginning. I really appreciate that. Watching the whole thing. Messaging in the chat. That's my favorite part, man. When someone watches you when you have like 10 viewers, and then you get blessed by amazing raids from the best of the best. Alt F4, Mitch, until you're averaging way higher views. And you were there since the beginning, so that's awesome. That's what means the most to a streamer. From my perspective, it's like seeing a person like who watching when you have no views to still watching when you have a lot of views. That's right there, man. That's right there. That's in the left nipple area. All right, so we minted. We'll do one more. Fuck it, because I'm kind of bored. I don't know what else to end off now. My first time watching you. Love what you're doing. Hey, appreciate that, man. Join the Discord. And thank you for all those follows. By the way, let's do something. So join the Discord, number 1. Number 2, everyone. Exclamation point DROP. Because if you get 100 on a drop game, I give you $100. You have to get 100 on a drop game though. But you can definitely do it. We just minted one. We already know the drill. We have to give it some time. But yeah, join the Discord. I post all the VODs on YouTube. Link to the VOD channel in the Discord. Algo Cave, everything is on the Discord. It's the source of truth for everything. I'm going to be releasing a YouTube video this week as well, talking about 3 languages I recommend for someone starting out in programming for different reasons, such as if you're studying for Fang, I have one language for you. If you want to be a builder, I have a different language for you. And if you want to be up to what the most innovative current technological boom is, I have another programming language recommendation for you. So we just minted one. Let's see this. Do we have 4? And there's 4, baby. We got all 4 of them. Look at our beautiful collection here. 4 Melkey Dev NFTs ready to go. Time to pump and dump it. You're gonna pay a TikTok influencer to bust these, but I appreciate that. What's a funny comment? Nice mints. Hell yeah. All right, cool. So if you look at Excalibur, we're done. We did everything today. Look at that. We want to deploy content in Rinkeby. Done. We make the art, done with Hashlips. We want to generate all the NFTs, done with Hashlips. Generate all the NFT metadata, done with Hashlips. Store all of this on IPFS, that's done. Serial contract on test Etherscan, that's done. And then we're going to use remix.ethereum to deploy and actually mint, and that's done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to come to the end of our stream. What an awesome day, awesome stream, awesome event. We're going to rate Small Ant. If you don't know, he's a gamer. I like Small Ant. He's dope. He acknowledged me and he streams sometimes. So big time streamers. You guys are gonna go from watching me with like 50 views to watching Small Ant, who is like I think 10,000 right now. I love you guys so much. You guys really mean a lot to me. Thank you for hanging out, streaming with me. You guys are absolutely amazing. Did I get in trouble? Always feel like I'm getting in trouble. Ooh, okay. I got in small trouble. But yeah, my name is Melkey. You guys gotta join the Discord if you haven't already. See me on Twitter, YouTube, all that finagly, that beautiful deliciousness that you guys like to see. Next stream is on Saturday. We're gonna be doing NFT on Saturday. The schedule is posted on Twitter. But yeah, Saturday we're gonna continuing this. We might even finish it off. We're gonna be making a website. So we're actually gonna be making what we did here into a minting website using Tailwind and JavaScript, all that awesome stuff. And lastly, Sunday engineering talks, where it's basically a no-code stream where we talk about the best principles and fundamentals of engineering and stuff. So you guys are amazing. Take you guys later, and yeah, peace out. Melk out. YouTube video coming soon.